Well, a lot of people trying to get to their loved ones for the holidays, and today's winds interrupted a lot of those travel plans at DIA. The airport closed 4 of 6 runways. That meant hundreds of flights were canceled or delayed. Tori Mason spent the day talking with travelers, and Tori, good news is things are getting back on track, but it has certainly been a long day.
Definitely, Karen. The subway ran out of food before 7, and the hotel next door is nearly booked. But flights are taking off. People are getting out of here. The airport is just playing catch up.
I don't want to fly if it's too windy or too crazy.
The Rogers are headed to Disney, but they say travel was enough of a roller coaster for one day.
We were already going to be getting in close to midnight because it's a 4-hour flight and 2-hour time difference.
Kevin Thomas realized delays were inevitable during his drive from Colorado Springs.
I saw one 18-wheeler on its side. That was interesting.
60-mile-an-hour gusts delayed hundreds of planes and thousands of plans. Kevin's flight was one of the 155 canceled due to wind.
A lot of those big airplanes have crosswind limitations.
Tyler Bachelder is an aviation professor at Metro State. He says planes can't take off or land if crosswinds are too high. Direction is critical.
So for 4 of the runways, the wind was basically perpendicular to the runways. The other 2 runways that remained open were aligned more closely with the wind.
Bachelder says even if the planes could take off, it wouldn't be a very pleasant ride. The tourists understood.
Better be safe and get there and arrive alive than to have yourself in an unsafe situation.
And the Coloradans weren't surprised.
It's just erratic and you never know what you're going to get.
So as I was saying, the hotel room situation is pretty sparse, so I think these stragglers you see out here are in it for the long haul tonight. But a lot of other travelers who had flights canceled today, they'll probably try to book it on out of here tomorrow. So if you have business to do at DIA tomorrow, just keep that in mind. It might be a little bit busy. We're live in Denver. Tori Mason covering Colorado First.